Hello everyone, welcome to Funology, learning with fun. So friends, it was summer break and we all were getting bored and we wanted to do something very interesting. And then we got an idea. Yes, and this time we are going to make a clay stove. you know, Clay stove is also known as mud chulha, which is an earlier approach of cooking food with firewood. And clay stove cooking is an ancient way of cooking which gives a natural taste to the food. So, let's learn how to make a clay stove. So, first, we're going to mix cement and sand in dry condition. And once the mixture is properly mixed, we need to add enough water to prepare a smooth mixture. We need to make it smoother. Now let's prepare the base of clay stove with smooth mixture of cement and sand. We need soaked bricks in water for at least 2 hours and it will be used for main body of stove. Friends, if you ever had chance to eat food made in clay stove, you must be knowing that smoky flavor that enhances the overall food experience, isn't it? Now we need to add water in clay to make it smooth. And when all this work was being done, my nephew and niece got chance to have fun with mud. Oh my god, they're doing heavy construction work. That's so fun. Now we are applying the layer of clay inside the walls of a mud stove because clay is good fire resistant. And friends, I also tried my hand to give that finishing touch. And in our fast moving life, the one touch cooking range that is supported with chimney and keeps the home smoke free. But only 3 decades ago, it was all about homemade clay stove. And it's ready. Wow. And now we are going to cook yummy food on it. I hope you enjoyed watching making clay stove. So, until next time, bye bye. Thanks for watching.